Tuscan beef meatball and white bean soup on repeat for the cold days when you need something chock full of flavor. Let's review. Carrots and onions softened with garlic, then cooked with beef broth, fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme, and a Parmesan rind. This is an amazing culinary secret to extra depth, by the way. Handmade meatballs carefully cook in this rich broth along with cannellini beans and farro, which is a form of wheat grain and is very nutty. All of these ingredients contribute to the depth and breadth of flavor in the soup. The meatballs themselves are lean ground beef mixed with onions, parsley, breadcrumbs, cheese, garlic, and egg, and they are very small, just about an inch wide, so they will cook in about 20 minutes or less once they're added to the broth. At the very end, we add in a little kale for extra color and nutrition. To serve alongside the soup, slice a baguette and bake with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, like a tasty little chip for dipping into the broth and scooping all of that goodness. That's it for Tuscan beef meatball and white bean soup with delicious, nutritious beef.